How to uninstall Stack Player in Windows. FYI, Stack Player is a program, aka Ads by Stack Player adware, that claims to let you watch online videos without a browser superscript 1. However, it is also considered a potentially unwanted program, PUP, that can display ads, collect your data, and slow down your computer. It is often bundled with other free software and installed without your consent. Therefore, it is recommended to remove Stack Player from your system if you have it. To uninstall Stack Player from your Windows PC, you can follow these steps. 1. Open the Start menu by clicking on the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. 2. Go to Settings by clicking on the gear icon in the Start menu. 3. In the Settings window, select Apps or Apps and Features, depending on your Windows version. This will open the list of installed applications on your PC. 4. Scroll through the list of installed apps to find Stack Player. 5. Click on Stack Player to select it, and then click on the Uninstall button that appears. 6. Follow the prompts in the Uninstallation wizard to complete the uninstallation process. You may be asked to confirm the action and provide administrator permission. 7. Once the uninstallation process is complete, restart your computer to ensure that any remnants of Stack Player are fully removed. Please note that the steps above may vary slightly depending on your Windows version. If you encounter any difficulties during the uninstallation process or if Stack Player does not appear in the list of installed apps under Control Panel, you may need to use an alternative method to uninstall the software. This could include using the program's own uninstaller or using a third-party uninstaller tool.